SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable picture-in-picture on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to minimize some of the videos that you play in streaming apps or FaceTime calls, then you can enable a setting called picture-in-picture. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the General option. Then you can choose the picture-in-picture option on this menu, and then you can tap the button to the right of Start PIP automatically to enable it. Now you'll see that when you swipe up to go home or use other apps, videos and FaceTime calls will automatically continue in picture-in-picture mode.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.